This video serves as general information only and is not intended as a replacement for your car seat owner's manual. Do not install a car seat without first reading your car seat owner's manual and your vehicle owner's manual.
Your rear-facing infant car seat base is equipped with latch anchor hooks. Attach the hooks to the latch anchor bars located in the seat crack. Once you've attached the latch hooks, tighten the base to the car by pulling on the strap. Test for tightness by placing your hands at the belt path, making sure that the car seat doesn't move more than an inch from the right to the left. Once you have your base installed, check to make sure that the level is correct and within the car seat manufacturer's specifications. Refer to your owner's manual for more instructions on how to get a good tight fit of your base. Once your base is securely installed into the vehicle, it's time to place your carrier on the base. Simply place the carrier in the base, waiting for the click, indicating that your car seat is ready and secure for the trip. Refer to your car seat owner's manual for the recommended position of your car seat handle while traveling in the vehicle.
To summarize, when installing a rear-facing car seat using the latch system, attach the car seat latch anchor hooks to the latch anchor bars located in the seat crack of the vehicle. Once attached, tighten the base to the car by pulling on the strap. Check for tightness at the belt path location. The base should not move more than 1 inch from the right to the left. If your car seat base is equipped with a level indicator, be sure it is correct according to the car seat manufacturer's specifications. Install the carrier onto the base. The click indicates the car seat is safely secure to the base. Refer to your car seat owner's manual for the recommended position of your car seat handle while traveling in a vehicle. Before attempting to install any car seat, always read the car seat owner's manual and the child restraint section of your vehicle owner's manual. Never install a rear-facing car seat using both the vehicle seatbelt system and the latch system at the same time.
We hope you find this information to be helpful. We want you and your family to always be safe on Georgia's roadways. For more information on how to keep your kids safe while riding in a vehicle, please visit our website at iRideSafe.com.
iRide Safe is a public service program of Montlick & Associates, trusted by Georgia families for over 30 years.